Hello, Albanidis Konstantinos here. Um, I wanted to show you to this short video how I managed to fix Vidello, and I can normally upload anything I want to uh, to Amazon servers. Okay. Uh, So anyone that is using Vidello and is a fan of Vidello, it's a great program. But the Vidello version 2 is just getting better and better. I had a big issue with the ability to send my files and my videos to Amazon server. I'm gonna show you very fast how I managed to solve this problem, changing the main server I'm using from Amazon. Okay, let's see very fast. First, we're gonna have to connect to AWS. Okay. And we're in. Okay. Great. Now, the only thing that we're gonna have to do here, okay, it's to go to our profile and we select settings. Okay, we select setting here. Great. Great, you see here we have the localization and default region. And over here we can select the default region and in fact the main server that we're gonna use. I was using the Amsterdam server and I had many issues and many tries to reconnect and all those stuff. So from here I had to change the default region and I connected to Frankfurt. Frankfurt is working and is working perfectly. I had no issues. So, according to your location, you're gonna have to choose the right server. But if it happens to deal with some kind of issue, you can come here, select another server. There are many possible destinations you see from for Europe, because I'm located in Greece. And for sure, Frankfurt is working perfectly for me. After you do this change, you just select Save Settings. Okay, this is just for the language you want to use. You can choose one of the available languages here, so that everything is going to be localized according to your language. But the server is this setting over here. You press save and save settings, and you're good to go. So you're gonna be able to enjoy this amazing program, Vidello, and be able to upload your videos and use your special modules on them. Thank you for watching this video. Wish you the best, and hope you found it useful and overcome this kind of problem. Bye.